Friends, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is about a new art that is none other than other. It is a unicorn card. I'm telling in my today's video. Then if you like my today's video, like and subscribe my channel. And I want to tell you one thing more. Then this video is my last video of this year because the video is coming on 27th, and uh, after 27 any Monday is not over here. Then another Monday is on 3rd January. I wish you a happy new year in advance. Then let's begin with our today's video. Friends, for that I had taken a paper. Let me adjust my camera first, just a second, and a compass. Let me open the full compass first. Okay, now I'm just taking the between the of the paper from the next side, the opening side I had used, and I will just complete the compass work first. And now first I had to make a small circle for the seeing that the adjustments. Now I am trying to open the full. Before I had just opened the half part. Now I had opened the full part. And now I had just done this part. Now let me use the pencil because the circle has taken the half part of the paper. Now I am just giving the shape to the paper, the big circle, perfect with the pencil. This is the step. If you can't use the compass, you can just make this way. If your compass is shorter, then okay, let me complete this work. Okay, the work is completed, and this way I had done the all parts. Now I will cut with the scissor this, and children, please use the scissor very carefully. If you are smaller than 8 years, take the help of your elders for cutting the scissors. Let me cut out this first. Okay, I had cutted this, and has came the semicircle, half semicircle, and I just tell you the how open work also done. And now let's do the another work. For that I had taken a glitter sheet, golden color glitter sheet, for we are making the unicorn horns. And for making the horns I had just making a base at down and just giving the curve lines to the make a perfect horn of a unicorn. Then let's do it first. Just making the curved pattern upside and downside both the sides. And now I will cut this. It is so, we need to give this so little time. We had to work on this part because this is the too delicate thing. Because if the scissors goes front, then our horn will be not cut perfect. Very शांति से आपको ये work करना है. That is I was telling you. In Hindi also I had tell you. Now let me cut this first. Then we will do the another work. Let me cut this first, and then we will do the another work. Okay, this way first side I had cut it, and second side I am just cutting now. Very strained mind, you have to do this work very properly. It's not that work is of fastly and completed fast. It's so delicate thing. So properly we have to cut this. Okay, let me cut out. Okay, now you can see this. The horn is completely ready. And now I had made few flowers that I had told you in my first video. I will give the link in the description. There you go and check out how we had made these types of flowers, and these we will paste at the down of the unicorn horn, and these flowers are very easily I had explained in my first video. Now let's make the ear of our unicorn. Again I had taken a glitter sheet. Now I am just making a carry shape design over here for the work. I'm making a carry shape design. Okay, now I will just cut it out a carry shape, little bit of carry shape design. I'll just explain how I had made. Just making a carry over there. Mehendi carry you can make. Okay, now this was the carry I had made. Now I had just removed the backward part for making the another shield of the ears. My sticky one, that's why I removed this. If you don't have the sticky one, just take the Fevicol and apply this. Now I just giving a tracing of the another carry, but little bit of distance, with the little bit of distance work I am doing over here. Okay, just a curve pattern and line and curve pattern. And now I will cut out this carry. You can just see out this the carry's upper part is the little bit of claimer not be circled. Okay, let me cut out. Let me cut out first, then I will tell you any another work what we will do the next part. It's so simple and so beautiful card is this. I had made lot of time this card, and very beautiful it's look. And now I'm using the second ear for the unicorn. Second ear again I'm just pasting this. This is the ear of glitter sheet only, and I'm just making this another shield of another distance part of the ear. And one thing also I want to tell you friends, if you had make the one ear, you had to do the second ear as the opposite. If you had made the in front, and let me cut out in front of this ear, that one ear in front of the glitter sheet and second one as the opposite, then your ears will be perfect. Okay, let's just cut it, and they are all parts of the unicorn are already ready. And now if this work is complete, we only need to do the things that last final touch. Now you can see my ears, horn and the flowers, ears and horn are ready, and one more part is still left. We had to make still left one part. Okay, then make it fastly, and then we will complete our unicorn card. Few things are still left. Now let's do that work. For that I am taking a 3 color sheets: yellow, pink and blue. Pink is baby pink, yellow and blue, light blue, light yellow. These sheet I had taken, and now I will just adjust them, and now I am making a carry over a same carry that I had made, and just tilted position. First I had taken a line and complete this part also. It's tilted work. Now I'm telling you again, let me try to zoom in. It's not possible. First I'm making a semicircle and just giving a tilted shape as a S, half S I had made. And now I'm just taking the first point to the last point of our carry. Okay, this is the main work of the. Now you can see the same way. And now I will just cut out these all papers to become a carry. Okay. We had to cut this very carefully because if we not cut it as carefully, then it will not be perfect for our unicorn card. We need everything as the perfect part of our unicorn card. Okay, now I had cutted all the parts, and now you can see this way. And now we will use the Fevicol and we will just paste. I'm just giving a tilt half portion, means not a full up portion of the Fevicol. I'm just giving a border, half border, a little bit of, and now just adjust the another carry on the that color. I had just applied blue Fevicol, then carry. Now again yellow Fevicol, carry blue, and that. So we had to adjust them as equally. First let it be on the one by our top. Now you can see this way I just adjust them, yellow, blue, and pink. Okay, then let's go and make our another. Now let's complete our work. First I'm going to make every part. Now let's go. I taken a card, and now the top portion. First I'm applying the horn, my sticky one, that's why I just removing half portion of this. I just teared it, and now I'll just paste on the in the between of our card, in the between. Okay, let me tear more. First, if you are having the tear part, you check it out. I just tear more and I just apply it. Okay, now you can see the horn is complete. Now with the help of the carries, help of the Fevicol, and now first I will adjust the ears over here. Ears. Now you can see I just adjust our three triplets that we had made from the carry. Now I will paste them. From backside I am applying the Fevicol, you can just see, and now I'm just pasting the near little bit of distance between your horn and the that carries, and now I'm just pasting the ear. Half I had filled with Fevicol because I know from where we had to apply the Fevicol at down. Okay, now it's this way. Now from another ear also we had to do the same part. We had to just apply the Fevicol and paste out. Okay, and now we had to know one thing, that the three of the flowers as the equal series of the three of carries, blue, pink, and yellow. First we will apply yellow, then blue, then pink. Okay, this way we had to apply the flowers according to that carry we had made. Now you can see the half portion of the unicorn has complete. Now let me take a sketch pen, black sketch pen. I'm using over here black sketch pen. You can use the black marker also. I just use the black sketch pen, and now I'm just making I will showing you first. First I'm making the U shape and just giving the tilt over there and just making the eyebrows. You can see. Okay, and now I am just using a scale. Let me take the scale. We need all perfect work over there. Now I'm just making a line because we had to make the eyebrows of our unicorn. That's why I just make a line. And now with the help of the black sketch pen, we will same way we will make that line. Okay, now see this. Again I'm just making a U and going back a line as curved, and making a small curved over here for the eyebrows of our unicorn. Same way we are making nearby of this portion, same part. Okay, same way curved pattern, small curves, and our unicorn card from outer side is completely ready. Then I will tell you what you can write inside, but let me give these few adjustment to this card because some little bit of problem it's gaining lot of big one. That's why I just give the adjust. Okay, Okay, now inside what we had to do, that I'm telling you. Now we will just decorate the border of this with the help of any sketch pan. I'm using the pink sketch pan for giving the border. From downer part only I am giving the border. Okay, let me complete the border first. Okay, with pink a beautiful line. If you can make it directly, then you can just apply now the first you can make the pink pencil line only, then you can apply the pink sketch pen. If you can do directly, then you can do directly also. Okay, let me adjust the complete the work, and I had just adjust the half part. That's why we had to do this work. I just applied, and now you can see the border is complete. Now I am just writing over your happy birthday with a blue color sketch pen and baby pink and orange. Blue, light green. I'm just writing in calligraphy design. If you want the calligraphy design, then tell me in comments. And one thing more, that in camera you can visible that it is some opposite writing because the camera is adjusted, that's why. Okay, this way only we are writing the this is the green color, not a green, it's a blue shaded color, one shade also coming in the this, but it is not necessary that you can use I'm using that colors only. You can use your as your mind is doing. I just written the happy birthday over here. Okay, and now with the pink baby pink color, I'm just making the lines over here at the outer line of the work we had done. Okay, this is the unicorn card I had covered in today's video. Okay friends, this is the card. If you have any query, you can ask me in the comment box. And then if you like my today's video, then like and subscribe my channel. And this is our unicorn card. Okay friends, if you like my today's craft, then please like and subscribe my channel. Then I will meet you in my